This is Barry Zalma speaking for Claim School Incorporated with another true crime of insurance fraud. This video number 57 is entitled, "I didn't know the gun was loaded. A lie to get insurance benefits," where pre-existing conditions are always material to a no-fault claim. No-fault insurance plans, like that in Michigan, provide benefits to an injured person regardless of fault. All the state asks from the insured and injured party is that he or she is honest in the presentation of the claim. Misrepresenting material facts in the presentation of a no-fault claim, just like in the presentation of any claim, is considered fraud and deprives the person injured of the right to receive benefits. In a case entitled Mark Smith versus Michigan Automobile Insurance Placement Facility, a Michigan Court of Appeals decision, Smith lied to the placement facility when making his claim and tried to avoid losing benefits by claiming he forgot his previous condition and did not intentionally lie. Smith visited his doctor, Dr. Mohamed Ayad, twice complaining of chronic and acute back and neck pain. Smith was involved shortly thereafter in an automobile accident that Smith alleged injured his back, neck, and shoulder. Smith then filed an application with the Michigan Automobile Insurance Placement Facility for Personal Protection Insurance Benefits, or PIP benefits. In this application, the plaintiff indicated that he did not have any pre-existing conditions and did not seek treatment for such conditions before the accident. Smith falsely testified that he did not see Dr. Ayad before the accident, but only for general health checkups. Smith's medical records from Dr. Ayad, however, showed that Smith visited Dr. Ayad for chronic and acute back and neck pain. The insurer claimed that Smith committed fraud when he indicated on his application that he did not have neck and back issues before the incident and that he now claims caused his injuries. Smith, unhappy, sued, contending that the insurer unreasonably and unlawfully neglected to assign an insurer to pay Smith his requested PIP benefits. At the hearing on the insurer's motion for summary disposition, the trial court stated, quote, "It appears to the court that it's outside the realm of credibility that a person would be unable to recall being treated for back pain a mere month before the accident which resulted in claims of back pain. There was no evidence presented that created a genuine issue of material fact regarding whether Smith simply forgot about his previous injuries. It is not enough to merely assert allegations in a brief to successfully establish a genuine issue of fact. Further, whether Smith's injuries are the result of the accident or were pre-existing and aggravated thereafter was material to defendant's determination of whether to award Smith benefits, since its award of benefits would depend principally on when and to what extent Smith began suffering from his injuries." Close quote. Because Smith was not insured at the time of the accident, he sought benefits through the Michigan Assigned Claims Plan, which is facilitated by the insurer. When the insurer refused to assign Smith's claim to an insurer, it did so based on the language in the no-fault statute, which provides, quote, "A person who presents or causes to be presented an oral or written statement including computer-generated information as part of or in support of a claim to the Michigan Automobile Insurance Placement Facility or to an insurer to which the claim is assigned under the assigned claims plan for payment or another benefit, knowing that the statement contains false information concerning a fact or thing material to the claim, commits a fraudulent insurance act. A claim that contains or is supported by a fraudulent insurance act is ineligible for payment of personal protection insurance benefits under the assigned claims plan. Close quote. It was undisputed that Smith presented to the insurer oral and written statements in support of his no-fault claim that indicated that Smith did not have pain prior to the accident. It was also undisputed that those statements were not accurate. The insurer established fraud when it showed: 1. The misrepresentation was material. 2. That it was false. 3. That the insured knew that it was false at the time it was made, or that it was made recklessly without any knowledge of its truth. And 4. That the insured made the material misrepresentation with the intention that the insurer would act upon it. A statement is material if it is reasonably relevant to the insurer's investigation of the claim. One makes a knowing false statement when they have knowledge that the statement is false, or when the statement is made recklessly even without knowledge of the truth. Smith complained of back and neck pain, which was characterized as chronic and acute, 6 months before he filed the application seeking benefits. He was prescribed medications for this pain and did not indicate that he had stopped taking the medication before his application for benefits was submitted. Smith did not state in his deposition that he went to the doctor before the accident for neck and back pain, but merely forgot by the time he applied for benefits. Rather, he stated only that he visited the doctor for regular checkups and mild neck pain from sleeping wrong. Smith did not submit an affidavit or other evidence in response to the insurer's allegation in its motion for summary disposition that Smith knowingly misrepresented information in his application. Smith did not provide evidence of a preexisting condition, let alone an aggravation of that condition. In fact, he initially denied having any significant pain in his back or neck prior to the accident. The alleged fraud was material because it was pivotal to whether his claim could be accepted with or without a pre-existing condition. There were no genuine issues of fact regarding whether Smith made a material misrepresentation on his application for PIP benefits, which constituted a fraudulent insurance act and rendered Smith ineligible for benefits. This case was a perfect example of the last-ditch attempt by a criminal who claimed, after being charged with a crime of violence, that I didn't know the gun was loaded. He knew. Smith knew. He lied, and his medical records established the lie. No one, not even in a no-fault auto insurance state, should be allowed to profit from a fraudulent claim. What the trial court and the Court of Appeals should have done at the end of their decision is refer Smith to a local prosecutor for an act of criminal insurance fraud. They did not. They were satisfied he was unable to collect, and he will probably try again since he suffered no loss as a result. This video was adapted from my book, Insurance Fraud Costs Everyone, which is a supplement to my 2-volume treatise, Insurance Fraud 2nd Edition, and my newest book, Insurance Fraudsters Deserve No Quarter, all of which are available from Amazon.com as a Kindle book, a paperback, and hardcover. If you found this video to be useful, please advise your friends about it. And if you view it on Rumble, please click the Rumble button. And if you view it on YouTube, please click the like button. Thank you for your attention.